Hey, welcome back. Karen here with Vegan Gluten-Free Life. Today I'm going to share with you my grandmother's Irish soda bread. Sorry, Grandma, I had to make a twist. It is now vegan and gluten-free. Still oh so delicious. We have to start with a few key ingredients before we even start on the bread. First, we're going to make vegan buttermilk. And yes, it can be made vegan. We do 2 cups of plant-based milk with 4 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Whisk it and set it aside. Now onto the egg replacer. Of course, we use 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed to 6 tablespoons warm water. That's it. Whisk it and set that aside. Now we got to plump up those wee little raisins. We cover them with boiling H2O and set those babies aside. Now don't cheap out here, get really good gluten-free baking flour. Baking powder, baking soda, salt, vegan shortening, and some raw sugar. And that's it. We throw it all into a large bowl, get them in there, blend all those ingredients together, use your hands, break up that shortening, works the best. Add your flax egg to the sugar. Now add it to your flour mixture. Okay, the heck with that fork, use your flippin' hands. Now make a little well out of the flour. Slowly add in your vegan buttermilk, incorporate that in, slowly add some more vegan buttermilk, and it's gonna get really sticky and messy, but that's what we want. Now add in your wee little goodness of the raisins, blend that really well together. I use a greased, lightly floured pie pan to keep the shape of the soda bread. Now traditional Irish soda bread has a cross sliced into the dough to let either the fairies out or the devil. Place it in a preheated 350-degree oven for 60 minutes, comes out golden brown and delicious. You're gonna want to serve this right away. Slice it. It tends to be more like a scone, but it's supposed to be. Put some delicious vegan butter on it and you have it. For the full recipe, go to veganglutenfreelife.com. Subscribe, share, follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and our YouTube channel for more easy to follow recipes. This is no Blarney Stone. And as always, have fun in the kitchen and let me know how you made it your own. Thanks so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you soon, and happy St. Patrick's Day. Bye.